Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get sound controls working on an external monitor using DisplayPort connection with a free app. The app will allow you to use volume keys on the keyboard and control the volume with the slider in the main menu. I've got a Mac Studio connected to an Asus 42-inch HDR OLED. On this monitor, if I go up to the sound in the top right corner, we see there it's totally greyed out. I'm on the Asus external monitor using DisplayPort. I'm going to sound preferences. Okay, so here's our monitor, there's DisplayPort selected. We see there, that's all greyed out. Can't mute it, can't do anything with it. There's an app named eqMac which solves this problem. I'll show you how to set it up right now. Go to eqMac.app, download it from here. Okay, now run the installer. Drag eqMac into applications. Close that. Go down to Launchpad. Type in EQ. Load eqMac. Press open. So basically accept all the terms and conditions. And you want to install the driver. I'm going to press force install. It's going to ask for my Mac password. So I've got my monitor set here in the options, it's that one. And then what I want to do is go up to the settings up here and make sure I've got launch on login selected, so that'll load up. So I should always have audio control. Okay, so I can minimize that now. And what we should see is volume controls on my keyboard are working, and if I go up in top corner here, the volume is also working here as well. We can see it's using the eqMac and not the default monitor. So that should all be good. Give it a quick test on YouTube.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move Thunderbird from one computer to another one. This should also work on PC as well. I'm using the latest version of Thunderbird, which is version 102. So if you're using the newest version, this should work for you.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. Or if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.